Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the Philippines, 5 peso coin from 2005. Suzy, the 5 peso coin we are discussing today was first issued in 2005 and is part of the Flora and Forest series. The series paid tribute to the diverse wildlife and plant life of the Philippines. On the front, we have a picture of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. Below his picture, you can see his name and the years he served as president from 1993 to 2005. His picture around other words Republic ng Philippines and the year of minting 1993. Emilio Aguinaldo was a key figure in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonialism. His inclusion on the 5 peso coin honors his significant contribution to the country's history. On the reverse side of the coin, we see the Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, one of the country's most famous and endangered species. The eagle is depicted in flight. A symbol of freedom is the symbol, and under the power eagle 5 pesos appears prominently. The Philippine eagle is not only a national symbol, but also an indicator of the health of the Philippines forest. The Flora and Forest series aims to raise awareness of the country's rich biodiversity and the need to protect it. The 5 peso coin of 1993 was part of a broader effort to modernize the Philippine monetary system. It replaced older banknotes of the same denomination, making transactions easier and the currency more durable. Made from a combination of copper and nickel, the 5 peso coin has a diameter of 27 millimeters and weighs 7.7 g. Its red edge helps prevent counterfeiting and is easily recognizable by touch. Now, let's talk about its current value. Like all coins, the value of a 1993 5 peso coin depends on its condition and rarity. Circulating coins are usually worth 5 pesos or about 10 cents. However, uncirculated or proof coins can be worth more to collectors, often ranging from $1,000 to $50,000 depending on their condition and market demand. Coins with significant wear are less valuable, while coins in mint condition or with unique mint errors can command higher prices. It's always a good idea to have your coins examined by a professional. If you're unsure that you have a rare find, the 1993 5 peso coin is not just a piece of currency, but a piece of Philippine history, celebrating the country's heritage and natural beauty. An interesting piece to explore. Until next time, thank you for watching today's video on Philippines 5 peso coin, and it's an interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Old Coin Z Collection.